Listen closely to the terrible, high-pitched rattling sound of a $5 plastic office keyboard. It rattles with every single stroke, flexing like cheap plastic trash under your fingers. Now listen to this deep, creamy, buttery thock sound of a custom $300 aluminum mechanical keyboard. That satisfying sound difference is absolute magic to your ears. Why are tech enthusiasts and everyday professionals spending hundreds of dollars on custom typing devices? Because typing should not feel like tapping on a hollow plastic toy. Everyday office workers execute thousands of keystrokes during a standard 8-hour workday. Upgrading your daily typing tool transforms mandatory computer work into a deeply satisfying sensory experience. Welcome to the captivating, highly profitable world of custom mechanical keyboards. When you purchase a mass-produced commercial keyboard from a big box store, you buy cheap compromises. Manufacturers use thin ABS plastic cases, rattly steel stabilizers, and harsh, unlubricated switches to save production pennies. The resulting sound signature is hollow, clacky, and physically tiring to your fingertips over long working hours. But entering the custom keyboard hobby allows you to hand-select every single structural component. You choose heavy CNC machined aluminum cases, brass positioning plates, and custom circuit boards. You select specific tactile or linear mechanical switches tuned precisely to your personal typing pressure. Building a custom board puts complete acoustic and ergonomic control right into your hands. The heart and soul of any mechanical keyboard custom build lies within its individual mechanical switches. Switches come in thousands of unique varieties manufactured by specialized artisan companies around the globe. Linear switches slide down silently like hot knives through smooth butter, offering lightning-fast gaming performance. Tactile switches deliver a clean, crisp, physical bump that lets your fingers know precisely when a key registers. Clicky switches produce a sharp auditory snap reminiscent of vintage mid-century typewriters. Choosing the perfect switch feel for your personal typing style is an exhilarating first step in this hands-on technical hobby. However, taking factory switches out of their plastic bags is only the beginning of your acoustic journey. To achieve that signature deep acoustic sound profile, custom builders perform a delicate modding process called switch lubing. You carefully open each individual switch casing using a small, specialized metal switch opener tool. Using a fine nylon artist brush, you apply a microscopic layer of synthetic grease onto internal slider rails and copper contacts. You also coat the small steel coil springs with specialized oil to eliminate annoying metallic pinging noises. Spending a quiet evening systematically lubing 90 individual switches is an incredibly relaxing, methodical hands-on ritual. Once your mechanical switches are meticulously lubricated and reassembled, you turn your attention to the keyboard stabilizers. Stabilizers are small mechanical guide mechanisms that support wider keys like the spacebar, shift, and enter keys. Unmodified stock stabilizers rattle terribly, creating cheap metallic sounds every time you press the spacebar. Builders modify these plastic components using high-grade dielectric grease and delicate fabric tape dampening mods. Eliminating every trace of wire rattle transforms a hollow plastic spacebar into a deep, solid acoustic thock. Masterful stabilizer tuning is the true hallmark of an expert custom keyboard craftsman. The internal acoustic housing of your custom keyboard case requires careful sound dampening insulation techniques. An empty metal or plastic keyboard housing acts like an acoustic resonator, echoing internal sound waves. Builders place thin layers of dense poron foam, silicone dampening sheets, or masking tape behind the printed circuit board. This simple acoustic modification absorbs high-frequency vibrations while accentuating rich, low-frequency sound notes. You tune the internal airflow and acoustics of a keyboard case much like a master luthier crafts a fine acoustic guitar. Tuning these hidden physical layers delivers immense tactile satisfaction before you even plug the device into a computer. After tuning the internal switches and stabilizers, you install your custom keycap set onto the board. Keycaps are far more than colorful decorative plastic covers for your mechanical switches. Keycap sets are manufactured using two primary plastic compounds known as ABS and PBT material. Thick PBT plastic keycaps feature a slightly textured matte surface finish that resists oily finger shine for years. Double-shot molding manufacturing techniques fuse two separate plastic layers together to create crisp, immortal keycap legends. Selecting unique keycap colorways allows you to express your personal artistic taste on your desktop setup. Furthermore, keycap physical profiles dictate the physical geometry, height, and overall sound profile of your typing strokes. Sculpted cherry profile keycaps offer comfortable ergonomic angles designed for high-speed touch typing efficiency. Taller vintage profiles like SA or MT3 offer deep, hollow acoustic sound chambers that amplify low-frequency thocks. You can swap keycap sets in under 10 minutes to completely overhaul your desk aesthetic and typing feel. Matching your keycap set with a custom coiled USB cable turns your workspace into an aesthetic masterpiece. Your keyboard becomes the striking visual centerpiece of your entire home office or gaming setup. Beyond standard factory keycaps, the custom mechanical keyboard world features a thriving artisan keycap movement. Independent resin sculptors and digital artists design single custom keycaps featuring intricate miniature worlds inside clear resin. You can collect artisan keycaps featuring miniature dragon heads, terrarium moss landscapes, or retro arcade machines. Placing a single hand-painted artisan keycap on your escape key adds a unique personal signature to your build. These tiny sculptural artworks are highly coveted collectibles within the global mechanical keyboard community. Some rare artisan keycaps sell for hundreds of dollars on secondary enthusiast marketplaces. What makes custom keyboard building such an addictive technical hobby is the immediate physical feedback you experience. Every adjustment you make to switches, foams, or keycaps instantly alters the acoustic sound and physical feel. You do not wait months to see the tangible results of your careful manual labor. You test your modifications instantly by tapping your fingers across the freshly assembled key rows. Achieving a perfectly balanced, creamy typing sound delivers a powerful wave of creative pride and accomplishment. It turns everyday computer tasks like writing emails or coding into a genuine tactile pleasure. Building custom boards also introduces you to fundamental electronics concepts and mechanical assembly skills. You learn how printed circuit boards operate, how electrical traces route signals, and how hot swap sockets function. If you choose a solder-only PCB board, you learn the rewarding precision art of fine electronic soldering. You handle small brass screws, delicate ribbon cables, and precision rubber gasket mount systems with steady hands. These practical technical skills build your mechanical confidence, spatial problem-solving abilities, and physical hand dexterity over time. As you progress in this hobby, you naturally begin experimenting with different mounting styles and plate materials. Gasket-mounted keyboard cases suspend the interior plate on soft silicone bumpers to create a flexible, bouncy typing feel. Brass positioning plates deliver a rigid, firm bottom-out feel with crisp, high-pitched acoustic sound feedback. Carbon fiber and FR4 fiberglass plates offer a softer, deeper sound profile with pleasant structural flex. Swapping internal plate materials lets you fine-tune your board like a precision, high-performance race car. This endless potential for physical customization keeps enthusiasts engaged and creative for years. The absolute best part about custom mechanical keyboard building is that this hobby opens massive doors for content creation and business. Typing sound test videos have exploded into a massive global ASMR trend across YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Millions of viewers tune in daily just to listen to the creamy, crisp acoustic sounds of custom keyboards. You do not need expensive studio setups or face cameras to launch your own successful tech channel. You simply place a high-quality condenser microphone near your keyboard, record crisp typing audio, and upload high-definition video clips. Building a dedicated online following around keyboard sound tests is easier than ever before. As your building skills grow, you can easily turn this hands-on, technical passion into a profitable side business. Busy professionals, software engineers, and gamers love the idea of custom keyboards but lack the patience to lube 90 switches. You can offer custom assembly, switch lubing, and stabilizer tuning services for clients around the globe. You can build bespoke keyboards to order, source rare keycaps, and sell fully tuned custom boards on Etsy or Shopify. High-end custom keyboards frequently sell for $400 to over $1,000 on secondary enthusiast markets. Turning your mechanical crafting skills into a boutique custom service allows your hobby to pay for itself. Alternatively, you can dive into artisan keycap manufacturing and sell your own hand-poured resin creations. Learning how to cast silicone molds and pour colored epoxy resins allows you to design custom keycaps right from your home desk. You can experiment with miniature flower inclusions, glitter swirls, or hand-painted miniature characters inside clear keycap molds. Artisan keycap creators build thriving e-commerce brands, selling small batch runs to passionate collectors online. You build an international reputation for unique physical craftsmanship while earning solid income doing what you love. Starting your journey into this rewarding technical craft today requires no advanced engineering degree or massive upfront investment. You can buy an affordable hot swap keyboard kit, a pack of linear switches, and a simple lube kit online for under $100. Set up a clean desk workspace, turn on a bright lamp, and open your very first pack of mechanical switches this weekend. Carefully lube your switches, snap in your keycaps, and experience the pure joy of typing on a board you built with your own hands. The next time you sit down at your workspace and feel the cheap flex of a basic plastic keyboard, make a change. Step away from mass-produced consumer plastic and embrace the art of custom mechanical crafting. Turn mandatory daily screen work into a deeply satisfying acoustic and ergonomic pleasure. Build your ultimate dream keyboard, share your typing sound tests with the world, and launch your journey as a custom keyboard artisan today.